Uses of these or those. Let us learn. These. It is a plural form of this. We use these to show many persons, places, animals, or things which are near to us. For example, these are apples. These are children. These are the balls. To learn more about these, see some sentences. These are the chocolates. These are the animals. Those. It is a plural form of that. We use those to show person, places, animals or things which are far from us. For example, those are the flowers. Those are the chicks. Those are the hotels. We use those here because the hotels are far from me. Let us see some sentences. Those are the bats. Those are the dogs. Now tell me what comes here. Dash are the cats. What comes here? Dash are the ice creams. Now tell me what comes here. These or those. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.